I'm so excited. I have a professional photographer and videographer standing behind my GoPro today. Why, look, it's my friends. Hello, friends. Hello, everybody. Hello, everyone. Oh, it's good to see you all. Hi, my friends. Hi. Hi, Miles. How you doing, buddy? I might not get any sheep because I just gave them all hay. Where's Kevin? Oh, there you are. Whoop, whoop.
I like that she responds.
She does. She has things to say. She talks to us. Okay. We'll start by sort of slowing down the masses here. Miles, are you being pushy? One more over there. And then for my princess. Hey, what do you think, Kev? Oh, that hurts. Not that bad. I like it when you're more gentle, Kevin. You don't need to take my fingers. She says that's nice. You don't need to take my fingers.
She's very skittish.
This is not supposed to be meat. Do not take finger parts. What, you coughed? Any more?
Miles. Miles is rubbing up on the camera.
Miles would equivalently like to have a little taste. Don't tell anyone I did that. As would Louie. I should not do that. Okay, there we are.
You gonna help me get in, or are we going somewhere else?
We're going somewhere else. We just start here to distract everybody. So once Gen Pop gets their scratch, that means, Louie, that you're done. You guys each got your own little taste of scratch. I don't want to hear any more about it. Chicken Manor at its finest. The weeds are having a tough time keeping up because it's just not raining. I think we're technically in a drought. I don't have Bowie in here anymore. I took him out yesterday. He was getting pecked.
In here?
Yep. Well, I brought the extra 2 roosters in from...
So you have 2 other roosters in here?
Yeah. They're hiding in there. He's not. I think he's alpha. He needs a name.
I look forward to meeting him.
Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick.
This one?
That guy right there. Yeah, I think he's proving to be.
Guy from may the odds be ever in your favor. Mr. Snow?
There you go. Yeah, that's interesting, Mr. Snow. I like that. It looks like he's getting his butt pecked too.
Mr. Snow does not like having the camera in his face. Just a fun fact for you.
I think he just got called out there. All right, so we're going to start our egg collect right over here. And I believe, here we're going to use my powers of ESP. I believe there are 4. 4 eggs in here. And survey says, oh, I'm on. 3. I've got 2 of the same color bucket, so I've got to be careful that I remember which one is the ostensibly clean and which one is dirty. Clean are the ones we just dip. Dirty are the ones we scrub. And 2. Oh, look. 1, 2. I don't think there's anything more hiding in there. So I've been doing these chore videos since about mid-July, a little over a month now, and once in the entire time I've been doing it so far have I found an egg in here. And so these are mostly empty. I haven't found anything in here for a long time. I can't wait to have them out of Chicken Manor, and nothing in there today. And I've checked these 2 over here on the left, but there's never anything there, so we'll let them go today. This gets a little warm. Let's see, so we're at 6. Oh, broken one. 7, 8. Still counts. 9, 10. 11, 12. And 13. That's still gross. I don't want to wash all of those. Okay. Now back to the corner. This one. You might go over there. That might actually work out. I think I'm at 13. 1, 2, 3, 7, 10, 13. All right, ladies. Excuse me. I don't know if you can get a shot of her. She is guarding her eggs. 14. You gonna tuck them back under there? 15. 16. I think there's another one. Oh, there's another 3. That'd make 18, 19, and then last but not least, and that's one of those little leghorns.
Oh, really?
That's actually a leghorn. It's not white like its larger brother, and it's got some modifier on the name. But they are teeny tiny little birds. But they still lay full-size eggs, so.
Poor girls.
They're champs. All right. Shit. What was my count?
You were at 13 before you pulled those, and you pulled 6.
3, 4, 8, 11, 14, 18. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19. I'm at 19. I know I'm at 19. I'll get these on the ground. 20 and 21 and 22 you can move. You're so warm. 23. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Is that it in here? That's low today. 30 is pretty low. I've been coming out of here at over 40. Could be they're just, we're a little early. Okay, so we're at 30 and we will add, I think, 5 here. I think she'll be good for 5. What you got, darling? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But there's more in there. All right. So that was at 36, 37, 38, 39.
Found your extras. Or your missings.
The what?
Your missings?
Missings.
Yes. You said that you normally leave there around 40.
Yeah. I don't know. 39, they made 50 yesterday. Actually, at the end of the collect yesterday, I was all proud of them for getting to 49 and almost making 50, and then I came back at bedtime and there was one more. So they actually hit 50 yesterday, so 39 is a little disappointing. That was just positively warm. All right. The next chapter is likely to be as warm. How you holding up?
Fine.
Okay. Actually, it could be a little cooler. I forgot my lights, which is about par for the course for me. But if you're here and you're holding the camera over my shoulder, that could be more entertaining. So we'll just do it that way today. We'll make the best with what we got. They're all lined up.
There's Gaston. Mr. Old Man.
Yes. Hello, Kevin. She says that a lot. That too. She's following us, you know. I could tell without turning around. That bird sends out sonar.
Does she always follow?
Yes. Always, well. She's been pretty consistent. Oh, here's a rarity as we get started here in Gen Pop. Look at this. It's the old shield egg. Definitely a one for the wash bucket, but intact. Not broken. So, okay. That'll start us with 1, 2. So this group here, we call it the Brady Bunch. Callaway is missing. We normally have Callaway who's sitting up here. That's Bullet Head. That's Scissor. Hi, Scissor. How are you? Yeah. These are the twins. They're usually together. So, okay, we've got one, and then we have an absolutely disgusting broken. That's number 2. And then 3, 4 from half of the. And we're going to wash those. We don't take the golf ball. 5, 6. Oh, that's nice. 7, 8.
Do any of them peck you?
Always. Bullet Head always does. Scissor sometimes does. 9, 10. But only in the nicest way. That's disgusting. 12, 13, 14. I'm not sure I'm done. 15. Okay, now I'm done. She can really talk chickens into getting in there. Okay, 15. Nothing? You have nothing down here?
I'm pretty sure you already did her.
Oh, okay. Well, then I won't be indignant. 15.
Don't give her shit. You produced.
15. What do we got? Speaking of nothing,
Oh yeah, you hadn't gotten her.
I gotta frisk them underneath the wings because they hide them and they
You'll hold on
don't
to
let
'em?
go. Yeah, I hadn't really known that, but they will fully tuck up underneath their wings and like not let them go. 15, so 16, 17, 18, 19.
That
Hi, Kevin.
face.
And 20.
She's like, excuse you. She kind of looks like a raptor.
She's not a regular for the Brady Bunch, but so she must be here laying. Here's Bullet Head. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. She does a nice job keeping them clean. She got better. She was terrible when she started. 25. Is she seeing how she's grabbing my hand? 25. All right.
Hi, Kevin. How you
She
doing?
does not let you forget about her.
Who, Kevin?
Kevin.
No, Kevin's super special.
She is.
Will she let you pet her?
She's getting closer.
But not there yet.
Not quite. She will let me kind of grab her grudgingly if I have to rescue her. She gave up for it once. All right, we're at 25 and 39 and 2 broken. So let's get our random barn eggs. Twenty-six, 27.
Just 2 in there?
Just 2. $28. Looking here for duck eggs. And among the I'm not gaslighting you. She lays them in the pallets.
Oh,
What?
It was on the bag. And it feels empty and is cracked.
Okay. Well,
That's probably the weirdest feeling I've felt in a long time.
that's a chicken though.
Yeah, but that's a little weird, isn't it?
So
That
that's
feels
29. Yeah, we're just going to set that right over here in the trash.
Yeah.
30, 31. Ow. 32, 33, 34. Then 1 for the crushed one.
She got the camera.
34. And then I had another couple up here.
I'm sorry. It's just funny. You're okay, sweetie.
35, 36.
You're okay. Yeah, look a girl.
36. Okay. I think that's it. Okay. Woo-hoo. So it was what? 36
And 30.
and 39 in the juveniles, and 3 broken, and 4 duck
Are these
eggs from this
roosters?
morning. It's a rooster. They both are, yeah. They are the not alphas. They are the, I'm not sure what the end of the Greek alphabet is, but I'm thinking Zeta kind of has a ring to it.
Maybe that's where they get cuckold from.
Could be. And on that note, we'll call it good.